I'm in the process of mounting the TCE bracket up to the billet knuckles. On the factory knuckle, this will mount right up. I think you have to shave, like, I think it's this portion on the factory knuckle, and then you can get this bracket to work. We're running billet knuckles, so to make the TCE bracket and the HHP kit work, you have to grind down one of the corners. And keep in mind, this is only if you're running the billet knuckles. I used a die grinder from Harbor Freight and a 3-inch cutoff wheel. If you're stupid like me, just put some eye protection on and hope the thing doesn't blow up in your face. But what happens is, once you get that corner cut off, you can see it will mount flush. You can see where it kind of nicked it there. And it'll mount flush, and I'll go ahead and get this put together. And that's the other side. So you can see right there